Welcome to the Understanding Critical CVEs in Active Directory course module. Active Directory serves a vital function in protecting organizations against potential vulnerabilities to user accounts, permissions, and resources in an organization. Yet its integrity remains vulnerable and could result in catastrophic results for its security and data integrity. In this module, we will explore the world of common vulnerabilities and exposure CVEs in context of Active Directory. CVEs are standardized identifiers for known vulnerabilities, and understanding them is essential for securing AD environments effectively. Our journey will explore several CVEs that have made a mark on cybersecurity landscape. We will focus on MS14-068, an exploit that allows attackers to impersonate users and increase privileges within an Active Directory domain. Zero logon, a severe Windows Server vulnerability that poses a threat of domain controller takeover and thus presents an immediate security risk to organizations. Print nightmare, an exploit that targets print services in Windows environments and may provide an entryway for attackers to gain entry. SAM account name spoofing, an anonymous tactic used by criminal actors to pose as legitimate users or computers within Active Directory, leading to concerns of unauthorized access and raising the alarm. Throughout this module, we will not only explore vulnerabilities but also explore mitigation strategies and best practices to effectively secure Active Directory environments. Upon completing this course, you will be equipped with the knowledge and tools necessary to protect against CVEs and emerging threats facing organizations' Active Directory infrastructures. Let's sail together on an adventure to deepen our understanding of CVEs in Active Directory and boost cybersecurity expertise.